make sure. 5. Okay, right. Give me a second, chat. Just gonna push out a notification. Okay, right. Okay, so I am live on YouTube and Twitch at the moment. Good. Oh, that's the thing I forgot to check. Oh yeah, it's the same. Yeah, same title. Good. Alright, give me a second. Just gonna be doing something. Alright, so let's get right into this. So this would be the prison add-on for Minecraft Bedrock. Again. If you haven't seen it already, give me a second. Show you here. So if you have a look at YouTube, right? You go to my channel, go to videos, watch this latest one here. You can watch the playlist version, which has this one, and this one side of it. Those videos, what I did there were minimal stuff. Apart from this one being the proper version, is good. If you haven't already, make sure you download my add-on. Oh, the video's there now. You're joking. All this time it took that long. Okay. So the video's there now. If you don't like doing it by there, you can go to CurseForge. Thank you for the 160 people that downloaded my add-on in the first place. Still have no comments on it though. So this one was like 1.0 version, as you can see by the changelog right here. So that's the changelog for this. Might as well change it now. Oh, it's not updated. Ah, no, 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 no. Don't start doing that. It's only because Minecraft is showing right there at that version. Just to make sure that my voice is showing right there. Yeah. Just had to make sure. Alright. Same again with the add-on. Anything to do with like script stuff, I don't know why people don't take this in consideration. The beta API stuff. So people need to get into that a lot more. I mean, I could go live on TikTok, but I'm already live, so what, do I just hit that? Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, so you're not gonna be there, you're gonna... Okay, I like that, that's actually pretty good. Um, kind of expecting TikTok to be less about that. I guess not then. Can I view? I can monitor from here. That's good. Okay, so feels a little bit sluggish. Why? Don't tell me. I knew it. Why? I set you there. You stay there. Don't move. Right. Because from the last time you saw this add-on, it had nothing to do with pickaxes. It was just, well, mines and how to set them up with, like, yeah, this stuff. But then I thought, nah, I might as well add pickaxe enchants. So I did. So now we have pickaxe enchants that actually work. So there you go. See? And also with the pickaxe info, you can see how much. Yes, I kept out luck and max and donator stuff. Auto sell will be just set as max of 1 because 1. It needs it to be that powerful. I mean, if I turn off, give me a second. So let's just say I turn off auto sell. a little. Also, it won't update yet on the pickaxe. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it updates in the menu, but won't update on the axe unless you get something. So let's just increase one level there. So you can see I just increased. See, it's set there. Yeah, so auto sell becomes off the pickaxe. So obviously admins can go way above the jackhammer limit. So not saying it's a good idea, but with 10,000 being the max, you're gonna just going through the mine constant. Give me a So like pickaxe stuff, now we actually got tokens, we can actually do stuff like this. We can increase it by 100 levels, or we can just go in here, go max. And now we got maxed stuff. By the looks of it, it also updates without the menu. Because pickaxe is jackhammer is set to 10,000. So does that mean? Oh, does that mean? Oh, so jackhammer does go up to a max level. So if I set this to around about 200, should be, yeah. So from there I can date it X. So we got the pickaxe stuff pretty much sorted out. Hold on one second. Let's just move. Oh, wrong thing. Also wrong thing. That's the right thing. There we go, much better. So as you can see in the chat, once jackhammer is set to like a normal level, you can start updating your pickaxe with multiple stuff. Simple as this. And it only uses tokens. So if I set the tokens myself to like maybe 30, and if someone goes in here and goes, oh, let's do 100 levels, right? So you can see that it says it needs that much. Won't let you buy it. Tells you what you need, and you have 30. So it won't upgrade whatsoever unless you got the proper amount. So pickaxe stuff, selling stuff, it's gonna be a little bit difficult for me, but should be able to do it. So at the moment I just got it smashing the hole, and that's it. And so you can see the tokens kind of increased. And that's just mining a bunch. So if I want to sell blocks and I don't have auto sell yet, I can sell those. Also, auto sell will be like for the max cap. Obviously, on every single one is gonna be 900 maxed. I hope that ain't because of the hold up one. So now it shouldn't be, yeah. So for this you need 1,000 tokens. 1,000. Once you get 1,000 tokens, you can buy it, or if I do link, because at the moment I'm not doing much testing as such. It was mainly, well, if I show you, as you can see, it's to get mines working. Once I got the mines working, once I got everything working like that, and whatnot, I can most probably host a realm with the prison add-on on, and then do like like a test realm so people can test out the add-on, see how the add-on works and whatnot. And I could potentially test it with a couple followers or some YouTubers that I may know. Depends on if they want to do it and whatnot. So, as we can see that pickaxe stuff, we added, you know, enchants, custom ones that is. Nothing has really changed with the GUI here, apart from this being like UI stuff, Discord. So this is like a Discord kit code here. This is like a Discord server code. I might be adding more to it since, you know, more convenient. Obviously the setup function looks like this now. So there's a bunch in there at the moment. These ones at the top are like the main ones. These ones down here, you can have them if you want. Don't have to, but you know, it's best to leave it there. Right, I need that browser. If the what is it? Bedrock Wiki and the Microsoft, I think it is. Please say they got it here. Oh no. Don't think we do. Oh. Ugh. So let's just type in API. There we go. Let's go here. And if you're wondering what all of this is, these two pages have the Minecraft Bedrock stuff on, such as getting players. That's the whole entire like player list, then returns them in a array list, such as how this is done. So money transfer only works when there's another person, server, or multiple. And that's how that works. This is like, let's turn that to experimental. So, yeah, you can see that some of these are like pre-release stuff. It might be removed in the future. So something like, I don't know, like loot table manager. That is also experimental. Get pack settings. Experimental. Put something like send message. It's not. That one's staying. The ones that don't have like the red banner next to it, like this. So this one would be the set dynamic properties. Okay, weird cave sounds. So in here we can set time of day, stop music, but also we got access to these as well on the side. So item type may not work most of the time, so that's why you do item types. Same with item stack, that one works all the time. This one just checks if it's stackable, keep on def. block mode, max amount, name tag, type, type ID, weight is also a experimental, which I can see this won't disappear because all Minecraft items have a weight to them. So the one that I was having an issue last time was player join. There you go. So this one on player join, stuff like this was a function before. Now you don't need to worry because he hold on. Oh, don't tell me so. Oh, don't tell me it's gone. I think it's gone. Oh no. Oh no. Hold up. Let's test it. It is actually gone. Need that back. No, it's not gone. So you can see, yeah, it does do it twice, but we can turn most of this off anyway. Because that's just basically a command saying the person's joined. So now if I make the account leave, you can see it left the game. So no, like, so what I might do is maybe like get the name here, just put as joined the bin such and such network. Obviously at the moment add-on seems perfectly normal, no changes just yet. Hold up, is that the RC? My chat? Is that, yeah, yeah, thought so. What's that? Oh, right, yeah. Are these? Uh, was it in here? Oh, it is. It's right here. Ugh. Right. Let's create a GUI. So we're gonna call this one rank up GUI. That. Rank up GUI.js. So let's get the normal stuff. Port. Get both of those in. From and at Minecraft slash server dash UI. Pretty sure. Yeah. So, how is everyone's night? So we're just gonna call show rank of B do dot player. I think we can do that. I don't know. We're just gonna roll with it right now. New action frame data at. Now we can see. So let's just do that as a test. There. The line. Do dot show then player dot then equal to it's that then that. So if r dot select equals 0, it's gonna call this test. No, that's not what I want. Since we can get it to stuff like that, get it to, well, function test that player dot send message. Oh, since this is a new command, we need to leave the world, go to the main port there, and go GUI there. Yay! I think that was the issue. Was why? Line 10 or 20. this. Well, this has source, so I wonder if that's the problem. I've done this multiple times. You're telling me now it's refusing? We don't need to put that. Just put player. Let player EV. It's literally there, word for word. Okay. Just add that. Change that to that. Change that to that. 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 Maybe. I really don't know. I mean, I guess I could use this. But then, what's the purpose? So at least that works. That's the thing. Do these still work? I guess so. These still work? I guess so. Ah, it didn't work over the stream. So when it played, hold up. When it played, I knew there would be something there. Have to bear with me for. So if I test this now. So if I test this now. Yeah, okay. Just had to make sure. Just had to make sure. Hold on one sec. Hold on one sec. Only I doubt it. Absolutely. Fucking. Hold up. Order chips. That's fine. You're fucking kidding me. You're actually fucking kidding me. How does... Oh my god. There's no way they've done that. Right? It just seems a little bit. What the fuck? And it even tells the player, don't have enough. And that even fucking tells you. Okay, so we might have to add it to this, all of this. So let's call this rank up. Wait, oh my god, right there. The handler does everything there to these. So, since we got the rank up costs, so anything to do with prestige or mine level stuff, I'm gonna have to cap it out. So now if I reload. So what I might do is add a separate button in here, walk to prestige mines. And how to do those? I'm gonna need another fucking prison mine GUI. This one won't be prison mines, this one would be prestige mines. The ones that pay out more. The ones that are bigger. I mean, I haven't tested this yet with how big I can do the mines. I literally haven't tested it. So right, let's test it. So one coordinate is the second one, and here's the third one. Go in here, call this 3. That. Bear in mind, I don't know how good this is gonna run. I don't know if this is going to kill the PC. I don't know. And so let's do iron ore as well. So fill 60. Oh, change that to 200. Oh my days. Ah, we found out where it caps at. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Holy shit. How? How would this be allowed? Can we see the stuff? Yeah, it resets, but at what cost? That's enough to pretty much kill a server. Jeez. I may have to take apart the mine reset code. I may have to do it in like small little block chunks. So I don't think I have the other add-on on here. No. Let's get that enabled on there. That's crazy. Just how big is this mine exactly? So we know by Jesus. That's 65 blocks. That's 178,000. Okay. Okay, we don't need this. We don't need this. Right. First of all, let's make this 16 blocks out. So let's just do 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That should be 16, yes. Okay, so if we do that, actually, let's just do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 is there, so that be 16 by 16 chunk. That's 256 blocks. So, because at the moment, I'm gonna have to test this with a couple of friends of mine. I want to see how bad this can set off. Well, it's about to reset, so that's roughly what, 3 seconds? I'm gonna have to wait again. It feels like it's 30 seconds, but also 3 seconds. So it depends on how many Watchdog errors it gives me, is what I need to take into consideration of the 256 blocks. If you don't understand what I'm saying, basically 16 by 16 is a typical chunk, which is 256 blocks in that single area. So you think about it, 16 that way, 16 that way, 16 that way. So we add, hold up, 1, 2, so that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So now if I go down here, select that up. So now that's a 16 by 16. That's 4,096 blocks, roughly, in that area. So if you think about it, if we do... Oh no, because it may break older mines. Because roughly this is 178,000 blocks. Actually, I might not. I might leave it. May have to test this on the realm. See if it kills the realm or shuts the realm down, then it puts it back up. I don't know. It's always a test for those kind of things. So now we know that so we can see that it's okay, so does that mean hold up. Scoreboard players set there. Players set. Then we do mine level. So if we set that to 0, your rank is 1. So I need to make sure that for the first mine, it needs to count as... Wait, hold up. I haven't tested this. I literally haven't tested. Hold up. Let's just go over here to this one. Oh, keep on forgetting. Right. So I wonder. Okay, so my mine level is set to 0, so does that mean if I go in here, scoreboard, objectives, remove mine level. Hopefully that won't break the mines. Shouldn't do anyway, so let's just double check. Yeah, they're fine. So since now there's no record, does that mean no? I still got that, so that's crazy. You're already max rank. What's that? Fucking 0. Oh my days. So hmm. So both of these mines are got to go. So that means so first of all, let's go with mine B. Get rid of. Delete mine. Okay. So now I actually tested it. What am I going to do? Since these are all like Y level 1, these get to stay because it means no additional change. Apart from blocks inside of it also. So we go somewhere like one of these. Paste. That's it. Same with this. In the middle. Paste. It's like I did nothing. These are all at one level 50. All I need. One level 51. Before I do anything, okay. Um, are they on? Okay. RC's on, but no one else. Oh well. Alright, so this is gonna be the tonight's live stream today. Just wanna say thank you for the ones that come out. If you haven't already, make sure you follow me on those social media platforms as you see on the screen. And have a great night. Have fun.